The length of the hypotenuse is 2x plus 1, and the length of the shorter leg is x minus 2. So I'm just going to draw that in. So we have 2x plus 1 along the hypotenuse. Along this length here, we're going to have x minus 2. So write the expression of square b. Well, square b is going to be c squared minus a squared. That's going to give me the side b squared. So that's the area that we want. And I'm just going to do that in this different color here. So b squared is going to be the area that we're looking for. Okay, so I'm going to write this in. 2x plus 1 squared. That's going to give us this area square in here. Okay, and then we're going to end up with minus. We're going to take away the shorter length square, so x minus 2 square. I'm just going to shade that, so that's going to be this square in here, and then that's going to equal the area b squared is what we're looking for. So 2x minus 1 squared, remember there's a plus in there, so we cannot multiply, we cannot square that, we have to multiply, which means we have to expand it out. So we're going to multiply this out. 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 gives us 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x are the middle terms. I'm going to add those middle terms to 4x, and then the last terms multiplied gives us 1 times 1, which gives us the plus 1. Okay, so there's the area of the red square minus, when I square this out, I get x squared minus 2x, so that's going to be minus 4x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. So again, a reminder, we do not square that with the minus, with the brackets. We have to multiply. We have to expand that out. And that's going to give us the area that we're looking for of b squared. So b squared is equal to, when I combine those like terms, 4x squared minus x squared gives me 3x squares. The 4x minus negative, that means really plus. I'm going to add 8x. 1 minus 4 is going to give us minus 3. Those are our like terms that we combine together. So that is the expression for the area that we're looking for. Okay, so that represents the area that we have in blue, which is b squared. Okay, and technically we should write that as b squared. Okay, it says when factoring the x squared minus 7x plus 6 into the binomial form x plus a, x plus b, which of the following characteristics are true? So a times b is equal to negative 7, a plus b is equal to 6. Well, that's really backwards because we need to have a and b become the products to give us the 6, and it needs to be a sum. So that's going to be wrong. Put a big X there. AB equals 6, A plus B equals negative 7. Well, that is correct. It says that A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0. Well, if that were true, if A is positive and B is positive, we should end up with a positive middle term. That is a negative middle term, so that cannot be true. So that's going to be a big X here. And then for number 4, if that's true, then the opposite, if C is false, if it's wrong, then the opposite is true. So we have A is less than 0, B is less than 0. They're both going to be negative because we have a plus 6. And they have to add up to negative 7, so that's true. So we have A is bigger than 0, B is less than 0. Well, that would give us a negative plus 6, or sorry, a negative in the last term. So in this case, we have a positive 6. So that plus 6 indicates to me then that plus 6 means that the signs are both the same. So we cannot have competing signs, which we have in answer 5 there. So that is wrong. So the only ones that are correct are going to be 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 is going to be C.